What is dropshipping? How much can you really earn from dropshipping? I will be answering all these questions, so make sure that you stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV. So I will be doing Ask Me Anything every Friday. So if you have any questions regarding dropshipping and regarding how to make money online, if you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comment section below. So this week I have a few questions asked by a private Facebook mommy group, and I have selected one mommy to answer the question. So this week's question is by Jennifer Bailey, and her YouTube channel is My Perfectly Imperfect Mom Life. Make sure that you check her out, and thank you once again for submitting your questions to me. So her question is, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a fulfillment method used by online retailers. These dropshippers, aka the online sellers, will find suppliers to the products that they want to sell, and the suppliers will help them ship the products to the customers directly. So let me give you an example. This water bottle here, I managed to find a supplier for this for $5 US. The supplier is willing to ship the item for me directly to my customers. I will price my item $15, so I make a gross profit of $10. So right now I receive a payment of $15 from my customer. I will forward this order to my supplier. My supplier will then charge me a $5 because that is my cost price. Then my supplier will ship this item directly to my customer. The only thing that I need to do is to fulfill the order. The way for me to fulfill the order is to enter my customer's particulars, like the shipping address. So here is her next question on dropshipping. Are there any upfront costs? The upfront cost of starting up a dropshipping business can be little to none, because there are a few ways of doing this. For instance, if you were to set up your own website and your own e-commerce store, then you need to pay an upfront cost of setting up your website as well as the marketing cost. However, there is a way that you can minimize the cost of starting up by putting your products to sell on online marketplaces. For example, you can sell them on your eBay store, on Amazon, on Etsy, and so on. Her next question is, how many hours do you put in? When I first started out, I did a lot of product research, hence I put in a lot of time in doing the product research so my products can easily sell. I used to use about 4 to 6 hours every day to do product research as well as putting up listing. Right now my store has a lot of permanent products, and I only do product research once every week. Hence, I only need about 2 hours every day to fulfill the orders as well as to answer some queries from the customers. Now to her fourth question. How much net profit do you earn? Generally, my profit margin ranges from 20 to 30%, and my product prices range from $10 all the way to about $100, and I can sell at least 20 items per day. So my average profit per item is between $5 to $10. That makes my daily net profit about $100 to $200 US, and my monthly profit ranges from $3,000 US to $6,000 US. Now, the figures that I've just revealed to you are just purely for one store. So if you have a few e-commerce store or other dropshipping stores, you can double or triple the income for your dropshipping business. It may seem not that much of money, but this income is equivalent to an employed person at the executive level. However, the good thing is I only need several hours a day to manage my online business. If you are interested to know this online business model and how you can make the same amount of profit every day, you can check out my course. I will leave a link down in the description box below. I have a step-by-step dropshipping course suitable for beginners, and as I've mentioned just now, some dropshipping stores require a little bit of capital, but the one that I am sharing with you are using zero capital because I leverage on online marketplace like eBay and Amazon because they have very high traffic of customers. So make sure that you check my course out. It is an online course. You can learn from anywhere as long as you have internet and a digital device. So you're welcome to ask me any questions. I will be uploading all your questions every single Friday. Keep the questions coming in. I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you want me to produce. I have several videos on teaching you how you can find your trending products. I will leave the link up here. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.